that then.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Isn't that neat?
That's so cool.
Such a cool tradition.
I love that. That's awesome. I did not know that.
Yes. All right. So cold today.
Yep.
Won't last for long, though.
No, we're back to the 50s. We're back well above normal, but that burst of snow last night, we talked about how there'd be light accumulation. Well, I got about a ½ inch at my house. That was kind of the norm around the Denver area, but other parts of town certainly got a bit more, and that was on the south side of town. And Steamboat got some snow as well. This is a great view of the lifts heading up and down, dropping off some skiers. You can see some folks out there enjoying a snow day out there. They saw a little bit, and it's a little cloudy out there, but not a bad day to do some skiing. We do have a first alert weather day right now continuing because of the cold temperatures, and of course there are still many icy roads out there. Getting a bit better though. This is I-70 at the Evergreen Parkway, above freezing now, but again, it was a little tough out there earlier today, but you can see the sunshine returning. So beautiful day out there with that little bit of fresh snow. And taking a look at our city camera here from the Denver area, you'll notice the concrete area is starting to melt, but we do have some snow blanketing parts of town as well. Not as much for us here in the metro Denver area, but south of Denver, Douglas County, Jefferson County certainly saw anywhere from about 4 to 6 inches of snow. Satellite and radar, again, mostly quiet. There's just a few little sprinkles still left out on the eastern plains, and I know it doesn't look like it, but there's a little bit in parts of the high country as well. We're sitting at 35 right now in Denver, 37 in Boulder, also out in Burlington. High country 12 in Frisco, 21 in Steamboat, so it's a cold ski day out in Steamboat, and 33 over in Grand Junction. Now, it's windy in many areas. Downtown Denver, not too bad. South side of town, southwest side of town, a little bit gusty, and it's windy in the high country and northern Colorado. So there is a bit of a wind chill factor out there, feeling a little bit colder than those temperatures that are listed. Later today, not too much of a change. 36 here in Denver, 41 in Fort Collins and Greeley, upper 30s, low 40s out east, 14 in Leadville and Gunnison, 29 in Vail, 36 over in Grand Junction. So it's just a chilly Colorado day. 37 here downtown, 41 in Brighton and Firestone and Windsor, a little bit colder on the south side of town with 32 in Castle Rock, 37 in Littleton and Aurora, and then 26 in Evergreen. That fresh snow on the ground also helping to keep things a little bit cooler. And then once we head up towards Berthoud Pass, Fraser and Granby, we're only in the teens today. As we zoom on into Arapahoe County, well, it went away a little faster than I thought. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Taking a look at our temperatures tonight, 22 in Denver, 23 in Boulder, teens out on the eastern plains. So it's going to be a cold morning out there on Wednesday. 6 in Vail and Breckenridge, 3 in Steamboat, 13 in Gunnison. So early morning skiing, or for the folks who live in the high country, it is a chilly start to the day. Part of what we're watching here in the First Alert Weather Center. Again, it's staying cold and windy today. We're warming back up on Wednesday, and then a mild and dry pattern will return because high pressure is going to start building back in today. And by Wednesday, we're fully entrenched in that high pressure. However, once we get to about Thursday, Friday, we're watching another area of low pressure that will mainly impact the high country. So Denver will cool down a couple of degrees, but we may see some snow at the end of the week in the mountain areas, which would be fantastic. Area of low pressure cooling things off in the Midwest. So if you're traveling to the Midwest, maybe some early holiday travel, it will be cold out there. The rest of the day, there is still some light snow in the high country. As we head into the overnight hours, it's clear and cold. And then Wednesday, mostly sunny after that cold start with a few passing clouds. Taking a look at that super 7-day forecast. Again, we're back to the 50s on Wednesday, and on Thursday it's our Together for Colorado toy drive, and we're looking at pretty great weather for it. So this is nice to see. We're in the 30s in the morning, so a little chilly out there, upper 40s, low 50s by noon, and then the rest of the afternoon partly cloudy, mostly sunny, and it will be pretty nice to come drop off toys. We would love to see you out at various Metro King Super areas, stores to come drop off your toys. And then we're in the 40s on Friday, 50s throughout the weekend with plenty of sunshine.
All right, Lauren, and our Together for Colorado toy drive is going